Hey guys, so this mod I did today is really simple. So as you guys know, the diffusers on these cars are the color of the car, as you can see here. This is a video I took earlier. As you can see, it doesn't have some of my mods on it, but I wanted to make it black. A lot of you guys are putting the black like plastic overlays on it, and I might do that later, but I wanted to see if I even like it black. So had some spare vinyl left over. It's satin vinyl. So I went ahead and applied it, and I'll show you what it looks like. I think it looks really good. Very simple mod here. So here's the overall look. As you can see, the bottom portion here is blacked out. And it's crazy because the vinyl matches the original trim perfectly, the little plastic, the black plastic. It's a perfect match. So all I did was I laid the piece down, and I tucked it down in the crack where the plastic starts. And then once you tuck it in there, you take an X-Acto knife and just run it along the plastic. Don't run it down, point the blade up. So if it does, it goes in the plastic and not the painted piece. And then you just tuck it in the edge here. And then I just cut it maybe an inch extra and then tucked it underneath. I think it looks really good. Again, it flows really well with the black badges and the black spoiler. I had matte black or satin black, this vinyl left over. I might switch it to gloss to match the gloss spoiler. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know, I kind of like the satin look though. I think it flows with the original trim. I don't know. Sometimes I think the gloss looks a little cheaper, but let me know your guys' opinion. But again, cheap. You can get that, a little piece of vinyl like that for probably $7 and wrap it, and it looks perfect. I didn't even use heat. I just laid it down and then worked it down to force all the air out. And it's Avery vinyl, so the air channels really help release the air bubbles. So I thought, why not? And I didn't know if I'd like it, and I really love it. Later on, I'll do an outside photo in the sun so you guys get an overall look, but just wanted to share that with you. I think it ties it in really good. Gives it more of that aggressive look like the TLX has. The A-Spec package has the black spoiler and then the black diffuser, just like that. So I like it. And again, just a cheap mod. If you guys have scrap vinyl laying around, it doesn't take much to wrap that. Just cut it underneath and it's done. And looks clean. You don't have to remove anything, just a straight edge. And you can cut it right between the seam and just tuck it. Looks really good, I think. Hope everyone's doing good, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again.